Okay, now that we applied the primers, I chose, as said in the beginning, Vallejo Maker primers, the black and the white one. And yeah, now the first base color will be applied. It's a Citadel Xandri Dust, which I chose for this. And I think you already get an idea of why we use the method of zenithal highlighting, as you can see here. And here, again, the reason why I wear different gloves. Here, I'm right-handed, so that was a tough one. Okay. The problem with the mold lines is that some of those you find when you started painting, and that means that we have to fix it afterwards. But that should be no problem. Okay, so we're done with the Xandri Dust part. Yeah, the legs will be painted in a gray tone, but because of the very the word is missing. The small distances between here, the arms and the legs, for example, that I pick this, that I want to paint. It is easier to paint the lower part with a brush, and this is what I'm going to do. Okay, now everything's prepared, airbrushing's done, and next we'll be washing the Xandri Dust part. So I use some Agrix Earthshade for this, and there's absolutely no need to work very precise. The only thing that we do not want to have is common mistakes, that pooling, and to fix that, to get rid of those pools, just use your brush and let it soak the pools. So okay, the color we get after we applied the shade is our mid-tone color. And you see, it runs into the recesses. Pretty good. And if you don't want a shade to darken your mini that much, you can thin it, and for this I use airbrush flow improver, not water. Okay. Might be better to paint under the camera so you can see what I'm doing. And you might notice that the hand I hold my brush with is always a point to rest. So it's very easy to have a steady hand. And you can do this either by resting it on the mini itself, or just by resting the brush hand in the hand you hold your mini, and you have a brush that is very, very steady. And it's pretty easy to paint even the smallest details then. All right. So I continue washing the mini off camera and we'll be back soon.